Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poster on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing material section you can find the first option, the poster. And here just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photos section, the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search pictures or uploads from your gallery. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section, you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your picture. In the object section, you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream. You can move that and you can edit the size. In the animation section, you can find different animation which you can add to your project. And if you want to add video or music to your project, just click to the video button, and here you can search or upload videos from your gallery, or go to the music section, and here you can find different music. And if you want to add the song, just click to the plus icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.